these are the major parts of the fingers involved in plaiting hair: the thumb, the index finger, and the middle finger. The ring and the little finger, well, not so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing this page or this channel, this is Sirona. Hi, giving you all the vitamin C. Please like, subscribe, share, and you know all that. So now back into the video. I'm moisturizing my sister's hair with my favorite moisturizer of all time, and that is Kids Organic by Africa's Best Shea Butter Moisturizer. This, if your hair is as hard as stone, this product softens it. Like, no jokes. No, if you've watched my previous video about my hair wash routine, you would see that I used this product. Like, I don't it works wonders. No jokes. Like, especially in your detangling process, you need to get this, okay, so that your hair will not cut so much, all right, and it will become manageable. So now I'm cutting my sister's hair, like I'm parting it, and you have to make sure that the back has less hair than the one in front. Now what that means is that the hair at the front needs to be more, if in fact maybe even more than this one that I cut here, okay, and then the back has to be very less, because there's more hair at the front and then less at the back, for cornrow or all back. So now there are three major parts of the fingers involved in making hair, there are also three parts to divide the hair into, okay. So you are working with three major sections of the hair. The middle finger does the pressure, okay, it puts in pressure. Okay, let me shut up. So it puts in pressure, okay, down on the hair, okay, it gives you support, and then it makes it your cornrow. Let me not use the word strong, but it makes it what word do I use, Chineke? It makes it firm. Yes, it makes it firm and not loose, okay. So that is what the middle finger is for. Then the index finger takes hair from each different position, from the right and the left. Okay, as I'm talking, you can practice in the air too, okay, so that you get it. Now you can see here that as I'm plaiting the hair, her scalp is somewhat pulling with it, so she has really soft scalp. That is why what I did here is that I made it firm from the beginning, and then when reaching the back, I had to make it a bit loose. As normal local hair dressers will say, they'll make your hand, they loosen their hand. It's not tight, the loose. So that's what I did, and boom. Now I'm going to cut another piece of hair real quick, again making sure that the front has more hair than the back. You'll notice a mistake made in this video, a mistake that turned into an art. Making hair generally is an art, almost. So if you want to split the hair, you just like hair when you put salt in your food, no measurement as the spirit leads. That is exactly what you are doing here too. You just have to use your volition and just measure with your eyes, no tape, no nothing. Now we're going to take it real slow again, zooming in. Now we can see here the pressure. What is she looking at? Face your front. Now let me stress this: as you're plaiting, you are picking hair on the go. You get my point? So that's basically it. You take hair, the index finger of whichever hand that has more hair on, Okay, mind you, as you're making the cornrows, not the both of your hands cannot be full at the same time. Okay, there's a time when you make the hair, is either the right hand is full, okay, so the left hand is free. When you do the second, when you take the process again, then the left hand is full and then your right hand is free. Now again, reaching the down part, I had to reduce my hand. Yes, it's reduced, they used to say. I had to reduce my hand, not making it tight so that she won't have injuries there. And then I always like to twist the ends of my hair. As you see there, I'm working with 3 parts, but then I convert it to 2 and then just twist it down, because I don't like to cut people's hair, because finishing it to the end, I don't know, I don't like it. I feel it will just cut your hair, or maybe when you're loosening it, okay, when you're loosening it, it gets tangly, and I don't like cutting my hair. I don't like when my hair cuts, and I don't like when other people's hair cuts under my care. So now this is the third and final part. Now we are going to, this is a final close-up part. Now just watch this carefully. Do you see that? Now I'm working with 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Now my thumb and index finger of my left hand picks up one part of the hair. There's pressure on my middle finger that I then suppress it, and then my other index finger goes into the part of the right hand. That part sticking out then comes to the other part of the left hand, and the process continues that way. Okay, you just have to take your time to just get the process, but I hope with my explanation you get it. This is also for beginners or people that have already learned braiding, like learned 1-1 as Nigerians would say, and then they want to learn how to cornrow. Okay, because you've gotten one process, one step, and getting the cornrow part maybe quite easier. So I want to advise you, if you want to learn how to make cornrows, ensure that you've known how to braid normally, okay, before you then proceed to cornrow. Again, I'm taking it slow here. Just look at that, and boom. So you just continue the same process. As you can see, the back has less hair. You can see she's already touching it like Chima's hand doesn't stay one place, so it doesn't. Now see how I'm even doing the braids slow-mo. Now I convert that 3 again to 2 and just twist it down. Voila. Now she said she has one style that she saw. She saw a celebrity do a style, cornrow style, all back, normal all back. I don't know which celebrity that she saw doing all back, that she likes her own whole back. I said okay, that's how she told me the style. So it is that style that I'm trying to do here. Okay, so she told me something about corner. You'll see it. You see it. So this is me in a bit to try out her hairstyle. This girl, I don't know what she's busy explaining. She'll just be explaining. These people don't know how to do. They cannot do my own hair. It's so annoying. I'll be making my hair by myself. Do not be there, so you do not come and be telling me style. Gosh. Anyways, yeah, this is me doing the hairstyle. Unfortunately, as I got midway, she said, "No, it's not this one. That it is it is squarish, not curved." Okay, just notice what I'm losing here. notice what I'm losing here and see whether it is not the same thing as the next one that I will do that she claims is square. I later told her that it's the shape of her head that is not making it square. I told her it's the shape of her head that is not making it square. So yeah, just see how this will turn out. Look, is it not still curvy? Is it not still curvy? Help. This girl. So yeah, basically you just continue the same process and voila. And then I've gotten up to this part, and that is when I noticed a mistake. The part remaining, okay, for that style is meant to be square all through, but the part remaining for that style, there's still more hair there than at the back. Okay, so if I continue with that front part, there won't be any hair for me left at the back. I'll be to be flying up, and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, and what I'm doing on that side, I'm doing it for the other side. So instead I'm just going with zigzag. So we are doing zigzag for this section to manage the space, because with zigzag you can do all the merry-go-round there and then getting down with just one straight line. So this zigzag solves the problem. And yeah, if you get to have any problem like this, you just remember that zigzag works. Okay, so this is how to make zigzag. Just split it into sections, and then I'm twisting it down because you know why. So you just split it into sections and then twist it down, and voila, I've done all to this point, and then the back of the hair. Now you just want to play that the same process. She likes little brush, so that's what I did too for the zigzag. Now you twist it, because twists are easy to loosen. Okay, so when you're getting to the next stage, you just loosen it and then just continue. Okay, if you've gotten a grip of normal straight all back or cornrow, then you can move on to zigzag. It's quite technical, but it's easy too. I don't like how the zig formed here, so I'm just loosening that to my satisfaction. Not losing everything, just losing that, but to go do it again to my satisfaction. Yeah. Although she was saying it's okay, nah, it's not. So you just have to get a good grip of it, and yeah, plait it down. Now this I'm very much proud of. I am comfortable. I like this zigzag formation that I did now, so I'm not losing it. I'm just going to continue my way through. It's quite easy. So if you've gotten the grip of how to make cornrow, then you can just proceed to zigzag right away by just following the cutout lines, the lines you've cut out, or the parts or the sections that you've cut out, and voila. And boom, we are clear, done. So what I did on this side of the hair is what I'll do to the other side of the hair. But since we've already gone over this process of one part of the hair, there's no need showing the process again. So boom, I'm done. You can see that our scalp is shiny. Thank you guys for keeping up with me till this moment. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.